Hi, friends.
Hello.
It's Marcello's mommy.
Yippee!
Look, it's Mr. Pencil's ABC backpack by Leapfrog. This backpack belongs to Marcello. Let's open the backpack up to see what's inside.
Yippee!
Let's have some fun with the letter zoo game. It's the first button on the options of games we can play with. Each of the letters has an animal hiding behind it whose name starts with that letter. Let's see who's playing hide and seek with us.
Alligator. Butterfly. Caterpillar. Dolphin. Elephant. F. Flamingo. G. Gorilla. H. Hippo. I. Iguana. J. Jaguar. K. Koala. L. Lion. Monkey. Narwhal. O. Octopus. P. Penguin. Q. Queen bee. R. Rat. S. Snake. W. Walrus. X.
X-ray fish.
Y. Yak. Z.
Zebra.
Good job, friends! Now we have met all of the animals hiding behind each letter.
Yay!
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
I had so much fun learning the alphabet and finding out which animals are hiding behind each of the letters. Thank you for playing the Letter Zoo game with me.
Goodbye.